Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. Today we have MacBook Air model A2337. The laptop is not charging, so we suspect the issue with the charging port. We will try to plug another charging port and see if it is charging or no. If the problem still exists, then it's the charging circuit in the motherboard issue. So in this video we will show you how to replace a charging port. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe in the channel, and share it with someone need MacBook repair. We do all MacBook repair issues. We fix motherboard, liquid damage. We do screen replacement, battery replacement, keyboard, all the others problem related to the Mac. Where is my screwdriver? It's here. We unscrew these two screws. Another two screws holding the charging port to the chassis of the Mac. See, it's damaged. It has water damage here. See here the other side. The charging port is too bad. Where did I put the charging port? Here. So, since the charging port is corroded with the liquid damage, then we confirmed the problem with the charging port. Sometimes it can affect the motherboard too. When you have corrosion in the charging port, it might affect the charging circuit in the motherboard. But we will confirm that when we connect this one and test it. If you have any MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or even iMac, you can email us or call us for a quote or appointment at website maplelaptopservices.com. There is a form. You can book an appointment, or you can give us a call at 416-587-7105. Now, time for testing. This is a good sign. As soon as I connected the charger, the laptop is charging. We'll try the icon is there. We'll try the other port. Yes, both of them are charging. So the problem, it's being fixed. See here, we'll put it in the other port. See, the battery is charging. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone need MacBook repair in Richmond Hill, Vaughan, Thornhill, Newmarket, King City, Aurora, and Markham, North York. Thank you. Bye.